a man made a horrifying discovery in court. When a young girl accused her teacher of molesting her, the teacher, sitting in the defendant's chair, seemed to be reliving the crime with pleasure, even showing a disturbing look of satisfaction. That's when John realized the girl was telling the truth. But he was the teacher's defense attorney. He quickly asked the judge for a recess, then stormed into the restroom in anger. If he kept defending that monster, he would be betraying his own morals. But if he quit, his perfect record of 63 consecutive wins would come to an end. John struggled to choose between ethics and career. As he stood there torn, a reporter walked in. The man sneered, saying John was hiding in the restroom because he was afraid of losing. He mocked that John's undefeated streak was about to end, and soon he'd be just another loser. The taunt hit John right in his pride. Driven by vanity, he decided to betray his conscience and continue the defense. When the trial resumed, John began listing all of the girl's misbehaviors at school. She often broke the rules, gave her teacher nicknames like Fat Pig, and frequently watched adult videos. When the teacher caught her, he punished her with detention. Out of resentment, John argued, the girl made up false accusations to get revenge. Just like that, John turned a victim into a liar. The court ultimately found the teacher not guilty. That night, John went to a bar to celebrate maintaining his winning streak. Before he could even finish his drink, one of New York's most prestigious law firms reached out to him. The boss, Milton, admired John's skill and extended him an invitation to join the firm. In the following days, John threw himself entirely into his new job. Everything went smoothly at first. He even won his 65th straight case. Milton was impressed, but he gave John a warning: never get arrogant. No matter how good you are, don't let others see it. Stay humble. At the time, John couldn't understand what Milton really meant. One evening, John attended a company party with his wife, Mary. It was her first time at such an event, and she was nervous. She begged John not to leave her alone. But as soon as they entered, John ran into a stunning woman from the firm, Karis. He had been infatuated with her since his first day at work. Drawn by her charm, he started flirting with her. Just as things were heating up, Milton appeared and interrupted him. He informed John that the firm had just taken on a major case. Their biggest client, Cullen, had been accused of murdering his wife. Milton wanted John to handle it. That night, John returned home. Mary was furious that he had left her alone at the party and refused to let him into the bedroom. Their marriage was starting to crack, but John didn't care. He was determined to win the Cullen case. A victory like that could make him a star in New York's legal world. While John buried himself in work, something strange began happening to his wife. Trying to relax, Mary decided to go shopping with a neighbor. But suddenly, she saw the neighbor's face twist and transform into that of a demon.